Hi, my name is Vicki Mahan. I am the Department Coordinator for Art at Richland College. The Department of Art at Richland is geared towards preparing students to go on to four-year colleges. We offer all the entry-level courses, intermediate and advanced courses also. We also have an emeritus program that allows seniors that are 50 and above to take credit classes. We engage students with critical thinking, and we give them the opportunity to not only follow a basic curriculum, but also to expand their creative ideas.
My name is Marian Lefeld, and I teach here at Richland College. This summer I'm teaching a painting class, and I also teach art appreciation, art history, and design. Lots of painting, lots of work going on. The work really comes alive quickly, and I love what my students have been making.
Hi, my name is Charles Codaway. I am the Brazos Gallery Coordinator here at Richland College. We have about 9 shows a year that we do. We cover local artists and out-of-state artists. We also have faculty show and also a student show. The focus here at the Brazos is education, bringing new ideas, creativity, thoughts, different ways of making art to students so they can grow in their education and understanding of art.
I took this class to learn a little bit more about art theory and get better at painting, and I think I've really been able to do that. I definitely don't think I would have been able to do something like this without having taken this class.
Here I'm deciding to do a dragon egg. For each egg I'm going to go through and cut out the scales, different colors. Also going to put this film on to make it shine and pop out. It's been a really fun class.
Right now I'm working on a mixed media art piece. I'm going to focus on having complementary colors with the blue. I've been pretty much enjoying myself because with mixed media you can go all out.
This is the chair I made and designed too. I found all the recycled items in my parents' home, and you can put wine in the bottom of this, so it's really nice. These classes are very small, and I feel comfortable talking to the teachers and getting along with my classmates as well. We feel like a little family, so every semester it was like that, and I really enjoyed it.